Riri thirikari nene iragirie kuhingia kiraniro kiayo hari aciari na arutwo a thukuru cia muthingi ati gutiri murutwo rikaga KCPE uriagaga mweke wa guthii secondary. Thirikari cia county onacio ni iranyitirira itanya riri. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa Laikipia University, Governor Ndiritu Muriithi augite ona thutha wa arutwo aya kurikia thukuru cia secondary, thirikari yake ni gutigirira ati aria atanahire kothi-ini cia moko matikurira thi.
You know that there are children who almost immediately after birth, you can see for instance, they are technically oriented, they make things. And those are the children we are looking after.
Athite na mbere na kuga toga kwivanga ta bururi. Tugutura tuguraga indo ciothe kuma mabũrũri mangĩ na kũrĩ indo igithondekirwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ iganda iria ciĩkuo iiriukio.
That the clothes you wear, you import from somebody else. The toys your children play with, you import from somebody else. The pencils they use in school, the paper they use.
Imwe cia itũmi iria ciari maraheana cia kwaga gũtwara arutwo thukuru-inĩ cia secondary nĩ kwaga mbeca, no thirikari ya county yugĩte nĩ kũmanyitirĩra.
In your strategic plan, you need to bring in a paragraph on how to bring together the stakeholders who have scholarships, who have bursaries, and we have a common pool from where the county government, the national government, the private sector, everyone else is able to read from the same page.
We have our chiefs here. They are under directions that all parents should be summoned to their offices to give reasons why those school-going children have not reported.
Itanya riri riukite riri kuri na kiagago iguru rigi mutaratara mweru wa githomo, anyiti itemi amwe makiuga ni ukuruta wira wega, riri angi nao mari na nganja naguo.